not gonna believe it, but 9:15. I was planning to start riding earlier, but I couldn't sleep last night. Because it was too cold. The temperatures dropped to 12 degrees Celsius. Oh, that looks pretty cool. This morning is perfect for the riding. Yeah, but before I pack, I want to do some things I didn't do like yesterday in the evening. So my barkbuster after fall, it's a little bit too much up. You know, it got hit here, so went a little bit too much up, and I want to fix it because it's going like this down, and this one, if you would look, goes in here. So I mean, just move it a little bit down. Not gonna release those, try it at first like that. Gonna have to. Oh, this one is not strong at all. That's good. Okay, here we go. Protects my little lever. Problem solved, all good. Now I have to address another one issue. Planning to make some holes in here and use a zip ties and just kind of sew it together. I'm not sure how to say. So that's my plan. We'll see how it's gonna work. Yeah, I think it will work perfect. And maybe we'll take more material, but I don't care.
Quando você sorriu, chorei. Eu nunca pude imaginar que isso fosse acontecer. E numa bola de cristal vi o futuro transformar. E o que era bom ficou legal. Passarinho da
Maybe we'll do here, so that's not gonna be hanging like this.
voou. Passarinho da montanha quando chega voou. Voou. Passarinho da montanha quando chega voou. Voou.
And it will hold until it falls. So we good. And now let's go on the road. I can actually lube the chain since I have everything ready almost. I think that's gonna go in the ground deep soil. I'll make it a little higher than always. Perfect. Maybe I go over there for some coffee. Good idea, huh? I love this little town. It's always like a special place. I need sugar, for sure. Alright, so from fellow rider Vasilis, if you're watching it, so thank you for the suggestion. He suggested me to get a special tea from this restaurant over here, and they making it from the things grows around here. That looks really cool, so I'm gonna really try it, and I'm gonna get some sandwich, and then we'll get some good breakfast, I guess. Smells very citrusy. Very good. I don't want to burn my tongue. I don't remember when the last time I was drinking something really hot. Yeah, look at this place. You can get food, everything over here. You can get a bicycle if your engine is broken.
I'm from Israel. All dry. Yeah. Can we have proven pigs?
And you have truffle even, yeah?
This proven pigs. Oh, this was truffle.
Oh, wow. Okay, I got the run, guys. Okay, nice meeting. What is your name?
Panayotis.
Panayotis. I know Panayotis Kalaitzakis, basketball player.
Yeah.
I know him. Yeah, I had really good food, and thank you so much. And I will see you next. Very nice place. Thank you, guys. So my plans right now changed, and I'm going to meet Vasilis, and we're gonna go together for the ride. I mean, like, I'd rather always ride with the locals than just drive like, you know, plain Tetra Auto or whatever. So I think we're gonna have some fun riding together. And you know, we met even like through Instagram, through Dimitri. So Dimitri, if you are watching, so like, you know, your suggestion went through, and like, you know, we're gonna go to ride with Vasilis. Let's go. I think I see African wind. Here. Good to meet you, man. Hello. Oh, good. Little.
Black is not for Greece.
But,
Color is not for
but it's, you know, it's like a mesh. It's like a mesh, see-through. Yeah, it's hot. Finally met Vasilis, and he will tell you.
guys.
Yeah, he will tell you guys where we're gonna go, but he's gonna say it in Greece. In Greek.
Θα δούμε όλα τα βουνά της Καβάλας, παραλιακά, και φεύγουμε προς Χαλκιδική, να ανέβουμε το Χολομόντα, καταράκτες Αγίας Βαρβάρας, Αρνέα, Ταξιάρχη, και πάει λέγοντας μέχρι τη Θεσσαλονίκη. Να του δείξουμε λίγο πώς είναι τα πράγματα στην Ελλάδα.
So whatever he says, as long as I understand, he said we will go to the mountains.
Don't say the truth.
And it's not gonna be something crazy. We'll see how it's gonna go, but we will see like what the locals riding over here. But he said it's not a good time to ride in it this time of the year.
It's hot like hell now, but
Well,
we're adventure bikers.
if we're gonna go through hell now, maybe after the life we will go in paradise. Yeah?
Exactly.
I like make the bike to look good, but functional. Why not? You know, if you can make it like, you know, look good and functional, why don't you do that? So his bike looks really awesome. Only locals knows this place. So it's one reason, not one of many, why you ride with locals. Oh, I would never find this place, and I've been here already twice in this town. Cannot turn off the camera because of the view over there. Oh my freaking god. How crazy cool is that? After eating a little bit dust of Vasilis, he says like now my eyes gonna be washed with a beautiful view, yeah? Look at freaking this! Whoa!
All our town on your feet, and not only the town.
Everything, yeah?
This is the island of Thassos. This is the Athos mountain with monasteries. It's like Vaticano in Greece.
That's very, very far away. We can barely see,
Yes,
yeah?
with a big mountain.
Yeah.
Yes. There is Keramoti and Xanthi sites. This is all the city of the Havana. And after the small island is the vacation spots like Paleone, Herakliza, Neaperamos is village zones for
Okay.
vacation.
So, I see.
And this is the center of our city.
And what is that mountain over there? Do you know?
This is our mountain, Pageo. We will reach it.
We're going
If
there.
you not, we will go on this mountain,
Okay.
on the symbol mountain, the low, not the high. There it was a abandoned. It's an abandoned ski center there.
Okay.
Before many years we
Used-
had, yes,
You got snow, not anymore?
not anymore.
You don't get that snow anymore?
Unfortunately, we don't. We don't have enough to work the ski center.
Let me just breathe in this one still. Very good, very awesome.
Yes.
So awesome spot to look. Would never ever find it without a local guy. So Dimitri, Vasilis, poof. Big thumbs up, big thumbs up. Looks like we are going for another one. Good view. But these roads, if that would be like that, I would just go no problem all day long. No time even to drink water. Oh, what a views! What a views! Million times I will say. Guarantee it doesn't show you doesn't give you the justice, the DJI view action camera, but it's really cool. Oh, I would go there. All right, single lane track. Good.
see Kavala, see. Not now because it's too
because
green.
it's yeah.
This is the Thasos Island. This is the Athos mountain,
Yeah.
and this is the Pageo mountain. Pageo is very famous mountain because here exactly was the gold mines of great Alexander.
Oh, okay.
Collect from here, collect the gold about the Persia, to go for war in Persia.
I see. So that in this mountain somewhere, yeah.
Yes, it's on the top. We can reach to the antenna if you want, but this means that we must cancel the Halkidiki and to stay here this night.
Very good, very good, very good.
Yes. Now we go in this road for a while, not the first one, the highway, the second one on the village.
Okay.
And after this we go down to the thermal baths. And after the thermal baths go from the mountain of Halkidiki.
And we having food in where?
When you became too hungry, tell me and I will find
We
it.
can go right now.
Right now?
Yeah, I mean like if you're ready.
I'm okay, I can eat all the time.
You don't look like you can eat all the time.
There is one very nice tavern here in this village.
Okay.
What do you prefer? Something better or something simple?
It could be, doesn't matter, you know, like I don't eat no fancy, I don't care.
No, it's not fancy, it's traditional, but it's cooked very nice. here.
That's what I would go for, because sandwich
Okay,
I can eat
let's
all the
go.
time, you know what I mean?
Let's go there.
You know, if you see in front the brake lights, that means we are going steep downhill. Even you cannot see that, but I definitely can feel that. That, not that. Oh, English, come back to me, please. That's where we go. He buys the meat. 15 years he said already over here. And this is a little cantina. No chance I would find it. Crazy, huh? Alright, so. Hello. Nemo,
Haris.
Halish, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's little YouTube. Alright. We'll stay here then. And then we start with the salad. Looks very good. Promising.
This is the lamb. This is kebab, suzukaki, we said. It's
Okay.
is with beef and lamb. This is a beef steak, which is top, and this is from the garden again.
Okay, time to go, guys. Thank you very much one more time. Nice meeting you. Bye-bye. Take care. And we go. That's it. Oh. If I cannot climb on this, bring me ladder. Thank you so much.
Have a nice kilometer.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye now. Ooh, guys. Oh my God. Back to reality. Oops. 7 o'clock. We still have 1 hour to go to the place where we're going.
Unknown man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive.
But there's zero water. Fine.
As I reach out,
Oh, there is lift. Nah, I wouldn't call it even water. No, there's no water.
I found my way.
Nice.
I was in the
Cross.
dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll
The
be
weather is awesome. Look, and it's the sun is going down, so the view is crazy nice. It's like a maple forest. So awesome looking.
Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
That does not look like a road. But you never know until you try it, yes. There we go. There is a kind of off-road.
Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Well, for me it looks at least proper off-road now.
Cause I found my way.
Can't get better than that, huh?
Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
Oof, it's so hot. It's 33 outside. And it's 1940. Look at this. For how many hundreds of thousands of dollars over here, or euros. Wow. This machinery, how much did it cost when it was new? Oof. Hey, I'm getting overheated. Oh, we need to go up there. Oh well, okay. Then I will leave the place, the little bit of room of battery for arrival. But some roads we're riding here, really fun ones. Okay guys, and it's getting dark, very dark. I'm not sure even can you see me. I pitched the tent over here. It's kind of interesting place. It used to be the hot spring resort, not anymore, but we did some bath. Vasily, big pleasure.
Hello guys.
If they see you. Yeah, but we did some. It's a hot springs right here. Two hot springs and then after that cold water. Pretty cool. Okay, it was really big fun and huge fun. Big thank you to Vasily, to Dimitri, to people over there in this restaurant. Oh, love it. Okay, I'll see you in the next.